Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of the flashing oil indicator of a Fiat Ducato. This one is a 2013 model. When the service is due or the oil change is due, this indicator over here, the oil indicator, will start flashing, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to get rid of that. Okay, let's start right away. First step is to have the ignition onto the second position. All the lights must go on. Then depress the throttle pedal all the way down like this. Then you have to pump the brake pedal 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then release the brake pedal, keep the throttle pedal, the gas pedal, all the way down for 60 seconds. I did this before, so I don't want to wait 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, you can let go the throttle pedal and the ignition turned off. When the ignition is turned off, you have to wait also for another 60 seconds. And after that 60 seconds, you can start the car, and as you can see, the flashing indicator over here will disappear. So a real quick one: indicator, ignition second position, press the throttle pedal all the way down, pump 7 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, release. Hold the throttle pedal 1 minute, release, ignition off, wait for 60 seconds, and after the 60 seconds the indicator, flashing indicator, will disappear. That was it. I hope this video helped you, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.